Hi guys, I thought we'd do a fun activity for little kids, and I thought we'd do croquet. And since croquet is a little bit harder for kids to do, little kids that is, I thought we'd set it up so they could do it. Croquet, you have the wire hoops that you hit the ball through, and I'm going to be using pull noodles for that. And I've got 8 of them that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and then I have some wire, some bendable garden stakes that are 18 inches long. I got them on Amazon. There was 36 in, I'm sorry, a fly is landing on my arm. There was 36 in the package for 5 something, and I'm going to be using this to bend the pull noodle and to put it in the ground. But I want to make sure I bend it in a safe way that if the hoop fell off, I don't want anybody to fall on the garden stakes. So if you can think of something else to use that would be better, just make sure that whatever you do it in a safe manner and nobody's going to fall on it. Also, to make it safer, at the very top I bent over and around hoop, and I just did it with my hands. I didn't even need a wire or a needle nose pliers or anything to do this. And then you're just going to slide the pull noodle over the wire and down to the ground. With a big hoop for them to get the ball through. Altogether, I set up about 6 hoops. So the croquet games have the little sticks that you kick the ball into when you go through the hoop, the last hoop. I decided to use a empty water bottle, and I filled it up with water and put some blue food coloring in it so it would be a nice big marker. So instead of using the small hard balls that a croquet set comes with, I got a cheap red bouncy ball, and they could either kick it through with their feet, or they could use something like an old tennis racket or a badminton racket, which I got my badminton racket at Dollar Tree. So that's all there is to it. I thought that this would be a fun activity for the little kids to play during the summertime, or maybe even a game to set up for the 4th of July for them. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.